bike, boy. Ew. We're just waiting for Jack. He's late. Me, Owen, and Jack, little crew today. Oh, oh, nice, buddy. Yeah, not for me. Yeehaw! Oh shit! Oh man, that was so silly. Messed that one up good. There we go, that was easy. That's as much as I can do. Whoa! Well, while I was waiting for Jack. Oh no! You good, man?
No. Fuck.
Shit.
Oh, that was so fucking dumb.
Well, what I was trying to say earlier was, while we're waiting for Jack, I did a silly little climb there, and I broke my clutch master cylinder. Luckily it broke in a spot that I can still tighten it up and it's going to be fine for the ride, but we did that. Jack just fell off his bike and hurt his foot, but he's okay. He's going to keep riding. And we're going to have some fun. Let's see how we go. Whoa, shit. There goes the clutch. There we go. Just clip the tree and it's like bloop.
Around, yeah.
This is the worst part. So steep.
And now we have to go back up it.
Nah,
Yeah.
I ain't going up that.
Yeah, you got it.
That's so hard.
Let out a little more air to the tire. Come on.
I guess I gotta go. That didn't work. Oh no, I fully broke it. Damn. Come on. Well, there it is, guys. She's broken. Look at that. Clean, clean, clean. Yeah?
Yeah.
I blame you for making me do that.
You broke it earlier on.
Yeah.
There was your click of the freaking braking.
Yeah!
I told you. You needed to break it.
Yeah, fuck.
I was
It's
like
not even
fake
a
break
lie,
it, but
dude.
it's not even.
Yeah, it's legit.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Broke my master cylinder twice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty, boys and gals. That's the end of today's ride. Broken a master cylinder for my clutch, which kind of sucks, but that means I'm forced to buy a 9mm clutch now. So hopefully that'll work out better. But anyway, I'll have to get one of those this week and get back out again next weekend. And that's when I'll see you next. Have a good one. Bye.